How AI can help you write Facebook and Google ads that convert, AI-powered ad strategies. Struggling to write ads that actually work? Spending hours crafting copy that no one clicks? Let's fix that with AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use AI tools like ChatGPT and Copy.ai to write high-converting Facebook and Google ads, faster, smarter, and with less guesswork. Stick around because I'll also share the exact AI prompt I use to write winning ads in minutes. Let's go make your next ad campaign your best one yet. Why your ads aren't converting yet. If your ads aren't converting, chances are it's one of three things: weak headline, wrong message for the audience, no clear benefit or CTA. But writing great ads is hard unless you know how to get AI to do the heavy lifting. How AI makes ad writing easier and better. Here's how AI tools can help. 1. Instantly generate ad ideas. Use AI to brainstorm 10+ angles for your offer, from pain point to curiosity to benefit driven. 2. Write headlines that pop. Ask for emotional, benefit-driven headlines tailored to your niche. 3. Match your audience's language. Feed your AI a customer avatar. It will craft ads in the tone and style your audience connects with. 4. A/B test variants in seconds. Instead of writing one ad, generate 5 and test the best performer. 5. Save hours on copywriting. With the right prompt, your entire ad, headline, body, and CTA is ready in under 3 minutes. AI prompt formula for winning ad copy. Here's my go-to prompt to create high-performing ads fast. Prompt template. Write a Facebook ad for product service targeted at audience description. Use a tone: friendly, urgent, expert, playful. Include a scroll-stopping headline, a short body with clear benefit, and a CTA that encourages desired action. Click, buy, sign up. Want Google ads too? Just tweak it to write 3 variations of Google search ads for product service targeting, keywords or intent. Include headline options, a compelling description, and CTA. Try it with your product right now. You'll be amazed at what it comes up with. Best AI tools for ad copywriting. Top AI ad writing tools. ChatGPT, GPT-4. Best for flexibility and long-form content. Copy.ai. Ad-focused presets, Facebook or Google formats built in. Writesonic. Built-in ad templates, good for fast generation. Anyword. Predictive scoring on engagement and conversions. Jasper AI. Conversion-optimized ad copy generation. Use the one that fits your workflow and let AI do the heavy lifting. Pro tips for AI-powered ads that convert. Use emotion, not just logic. Tap into pain points and desires. Test different tones: urgent, friendly, bold, humorous. Match ad copy with landing page. Consistency boosts conversions. Use AI to refresh old ads. Recycle proven offers with new angles. Ask AI to help with ad visuals too. Caption ideas, hooks, even image prompts. Your copy isn't just words, it's a conversation with your customer. AI helps you speak their language at scale. Try AI ads today. Ads don't have to be expensive guesses or creative slogs. With AI, you can write ads that convert without the headache. Use the AI prompt I gave you to write your next Facebook or Google ad. Test 3 variations and see what performs best. Comment below. What are you selling? I'll help you craft an ad line. Like this video, subscribe for more no-fluff AI marketing tips, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next strategy drop.